Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this task. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of scissors. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. First, unplug your Dyson DC05 from the power outlet to ensure safety while working on it. Next, locate the filter compartment on the side of the vacuum. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the filter cover. There are typically 2 screws. Set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off to expose the filter. Carefully pull the filter out of its compartment. It's important to check the condition of the filter. If it appears dirty or clogged, it's time for a replacement. If you don't have a replacement filter on hand, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get the right parts without any hassle. Now, let's clean the filter. Rinse it under cold water until the water runs clear. Avoid using any detergents or soaps, as these can damage the filter. Allow the filter to air dry completely for at least 24 hours before reinstalling it. While the filter is drying, let's move on to the power cord. To replace the power cord, first, locate the screws that hold the cord in place. These are usually found at the back of the vacuum. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the old power cord out of its housing. If you need assistance, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. Take your new power cord and thread it through the same path as the old one. Make sure it's securely in place before replacing the screws. Tighten them carefully, ensuring the cord is held firmly but not overly tight, which could damage the cord. After securing the new power cord, it's time to reinstall the filter. Make sure it's completely dry before placing it back into the compartment. Slide the filter back in and replace the cover, securing it with the screws you set aside earlier. Now, it's essential to check that everything is in place. Give the vacuum a gentle shake to ensure there are no loose parts. If you're unsure about any step, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you can make informed decisions about your vacuum maintenance. Finally, plug your Dyson DC05 back into the power outlet and turn it on to test if everything is functioning correctly. If you notice any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. Regular maintenance like this will keep your vacuum cleaner running efficiently for years to come. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No hauls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.